Nongpombam Hiainu, wife of Manipur Chief Minister, took the first dose of COVID vaccine as part of Tika Utsav at Janims today. The nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive for people who are above the age of 45 began on April 11 last. So far, over 31.29 lakh vaccine doses have been administered till 8 p.m. of April 14 last across India during Tika Utsav. First round of National Deworming Day was launched today at the Conference Hall of Directorate of Family Welfare Services, Manipur. Child Health Division, National Health Mission and Directorate of Health and Family Welfare Services organized the event. NHM Manipur State Mission Director Dr. N. Shyamjai and Additional Director of Family Welfare Department Dr. Dihe Mao attended the launch event. Manipuri Students Federation (MSF) today inspected Kha Imphal High School at Haubam Marak Kaisham Lekai under Lyric Ningthi Natamsi campaign. During the visit, the MSF team learned that the condition of the school remained unchanged. MSF General Secretary Hijam Roshan urged the government to take steps to improve the condition of the school. Integrated Mega Tourism Development Cooperative Society Limited said that the owner of a Daewoo scooter is trying to defame the Khongjom Mega Tourist Committee. The Daewoo owner has claimed that his vehicle was found lost during a fair organized by the society. Secretary of the committee, O. Sunil, rejected the claim. Utra Sanglen Sana Konung performed Kongba Leithong Patpa ritual today at Lengang Pokpi, located near RK Sanatombi School at Hotel. Angom Ningtho Amudi, priests and priestess of Utra Sanglen Sana Konung and social worker KH Kamba took part in the ritual. India today reported 2,73,810 new COVID-19 cases and 1,619 deaths in the last 24 hours, according to data from the Union Health Ministry. The total cases in the country now stand at 1,50,61,919. There are 19,29,329 active cases in the country at the present, while 1,29,53,821 people have recovered from the disease. The death toll is at 1,78,769. As many as 12,38,52,566 people have been vaccinated so far. Chief Secretary and Chairman Executive Committee Dr. Rajesh Kumar Government of Manipur has imposed night curfew in the state from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. since Friday night to arrest the rising cases of COVID-19. Infections have been increased exponentially in the last fortnight, necessitating many states to impose partial lockdown and night curfew to reduce unnecessary movement and intermingling of people.